In today's video, I'm doing a split color Dutch pour. I have two 10-inch by 20-inch canvases, so I would like to make a matching pair. I'm using a light turquoise and white for my base paint, and then I have a darker turquoise and gold that I'm going to blow out. I'm doing some really thin coats of my base paint. I want to make sure that I don't have too much on my surface. And so I'm just using my sponge brushes to smooth out my paint. I've found that the sponge brushes work really well for making sure that you have a really nice even coat while also being a little bit thinner than if you just use a palette knife. And I put a little bit too much paint on my canvas, so I just used my sponge brush to smooth some of it out and also wipe it off and just save it so that I can reuse it. So I did this with both that light turquoise, and then I went ahead and did the other side of the canvas with my white paint and another sponge brush. And I made sure to try and get my sides also so that I would have some really nice even coverage. I just put a little bit of each of that dark turquoise and the gold in the middle so that I can then use my hot air brush to blow it out. I'm trying out the hot air brush again instead of a hairdryer. And with these paints, I used Floetrol and quite a bit of water so that they would be nice and fluid so that the hot air brush could blow the colors out evenly. When I was reaching points where the paint wasn't moving really well, I just started adding a little bit more of my white and turquoise base paint to blow the paint out a little bit more so that I could move them further across the canvas.